Hi there, Roger Connect, President of Universal Accounting Center. Excited to speak with you today about a few things that I'm finding very interesting. As I talk to people who are in the process of deciding or actually moving forward, starting their businesses, their accounting, bookkeeping, tax practices, I'm finding that there's really three key indicators as to really what's motivating them or exciting them about the opportunities that they have as they're starting to take on clients and service them. The three things that I've noticed are, first of all, a lot of them are doing this from the point of view of freedom, some independence, free time, having a flexible schedule. And what I'm finding that's so encouraging about this is, as you might relate, a lot of these people have either retired and they're just trying to supplement an income, bring in some additional revenue, and definitely don't want to go out and get a job. So what they're doing is they're taking on clients. This gives them flexibility because in reality, when does the client care that you do the work? They don't. The work can be done in the mornings, the afternoons, the evenings, whenever it's convenient for you. It's taking on that workload and doing it when it's convenient. The other thing is I work with a lot of people who are doing this part-time. They eventually may want to go full-time, perhaps they just want to supplement their income and always do this part-time. But the point is part-time you can comfortably do this with a handful of clients, do it weeknights, weekends, simply work this into your schedule while still being flexible with basically family life and other responsibilities that you might have. Now, why that flexible schedule is so important is because it does give you that security that you're looking for, because as you're working with clients, you're able to have a multitude of them, 5, 7, 10 of them, 3 of them. But the point is with those clients, which is better to have, one job or 20 jobs? I definitely don't want to infer that these are jobs, but the point is if you lose one job, you're obviously at a disadvantage. You lose 3 clients, you've got 20 more. So definitely a lot of opportunities there. So that can be one of the big motivators that I see a lot of people using to explain why they're in the process of starting or building their practice. The second thing is money. So many of us have actually worked in accounting, had the positions that we have, and at some point you just start to realize that there's more to be had out there. You've got enough experience, background, credentials that it's time to branch out on your own, go out and get the clients that you've always wanted, and make a difference in their business. But the money is definitely a good motivator. Those of you who have worked in a billable hours environment, you know that you've been billed out by your own employer for $90, $120, $250 an hour. You're seeing the bills, you know what you're being billed out at. Wouldn't it be nice if you were actually at some point now making that yourself? And I think that's a big confidence builder for a lot of people to realize that you're already getting billed out at that amount. Why not get paid that amount? Coupled with that, just think of it from a bookkeeping point of view. And a lot of people are encouraged by this one simple fact that here in the United States, the average bookkeeping services range between $40 to $80 an hour. You should be billing between $40 to $80 an hour. With Universal Accounting, we have our own practice, Universal Accounting Services. We charge $40+ an hour for the services that we're actually providing. So it's definitely there as a market to be had. It's definitely allowing you to get paid what you're finally worth and earning the income that you deserve. The other happens to be this third point, which I find a lot of people are actually in the process of starting and building their practice because they're interested in doing it from home. The idea of doing this in a comfortable environment when it's convenient for you is appealing. One of the big advantages that exists doing this from home is you have the ability, the flexibility to now finally take advantage of some tax advantages that are available to you with a home office. You dedicate that space, you do the work there, you're able to now start writing off things that you're already paying for. So it's not costing you anymore to start your business. And in reality, how many clients does it take to finally write all of this off? One client. Just having that one client allows you to write off such things as perhaps your cell phone bill, a percentage of your rent or mortgage. It allows you to start writing off equipment that you may already have. So these are things that I think really motivate individuals to take advantage of the opportunities that exist starting and building your own practice. I encourage you to do so. Whatever your reasons, whatever your motivations, realize this. You can and should go out there and get paid what you're worth. You can and should go out there and make a difference in small businesses, helping those business owners focus on what they're good at and get obviously the success they're looking for with your help and assistance. The idea here is ultimately become a profit and growth expert for your clients, getting out there and making a difference in their client or in their practices, their companies, their businesses, so that they can be as successful as they hope they would be. Now, with all of that, I do want to share one last thing, and it's simply this. With accounting, Universal Accounting, anything can be possible. And what I mean by that is if it's about accounting, it's universal, and accounting success is universal. So take care, have a great day, and I wish you the best.